Tolasa once again. Shot clock 15 seconds. Tolasa showing his moves. Like a winner! Yes! Tolasa showing his moves. Like a winner! Tolasa! And Jen Blas head down. Paso po ng Bayan-Ban. And Bayan-Ban against Puscasa. Rekas Bayan-Ban. Putong Daswas. 78-76 score and 2-point lead. The Brava Boys. And Gregorio jersey number 9. Paso Managas. Rekas Managas. Binigay Gregorio 20 seconds on the shot clock. Managas fires for 3. Foul. And before and fourth na rebound. Still saved. And there's a whistle foul. And a foul from jersey number 23. Ignis friend. Tolasa. Yung lang sa gabi dyan, may flashlight. Pagkipatay lang. Kay silo sa players. Managas sa ground. Managas sa play.
Score 80-76 in favor of the Brava Boys.
Tolasa. Score
po is 82-76 in favor of the Brava Boys.
Tolasa jersey number 83. Pasodero, Raptors sa Puscasa. Gregorio jersey number 9. And Gregorio once again. Pasa Puscasa. Ang magtatawid ng bola. Puscasa. Paso Managas with a jumper. Last two place Managas.
Score po 82-78
And
in favor of the Brava Boys.
Out of bounds and kulang ulit sa balik ng Brava Boys. Dinigay down. Paso Bayan-Ban. Bayan-Ban against Puscasa. Bayan-Ban once again. And Bayan-Ban through Diliga. Atake sa ilalim. Yes, it's good. 2 points Diliga. Last 8 minutes remaining time for the last and final quarter. And sa pagkalang Gregorio, jersey number 9, ang magtatawid ng bola. And shot clock down to 20. Toss to David Bulili. Shot clock 10 seconds. Pinawa now. Panagas. Shot clock 5. Panagas. Gregorio. Attack the basket. Just as good. And that's 2 points Gregorio. And Tolasa down. Taas na yung Bayan-Ban. Score pa natin 84-80. 4-point lead. The Brava Boys. And Tolasa against Bulili. Tolasa. Atake. Basket is good. Ay kasama pang foul. And a basket down. Now jersey number 9. Holding down and one close throw para kay Tolasa.
Lamang po ang the Brava Boys. Time 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Fourth quarter.
$87-80 ang score. Agad sa pito. Ang kalamangan ng Brava Boys. Samantalang Gregorio jersey number 9. Pagkahanap pamapasahan pa rin kay Managas. Managas once again. Shot clock down to 14. Bulili with the jumper. Now, pili ka for the rebound. And hindi ka dyan mula sa pass break. Manarna. At the ground send and pula pa rin sa kanila ng Brava Boys. Substitution. Gregorio out. Inawa ng out. Subraisa. Puscasa out. Ayapan ng patrimonyo. And katampok ang pasok. Gian Bunasa. Nasa labas sa mag-down. Taas to Diliga. Fires. Diliga. 3 points. And sa padalang team, kaya pa doon sa kabulangan. Ang may tangan ng bola. Payapan, Universe Companion, President Forte, David Willie, All-Star Repairman sila ay again. And there's a missing now. And now, the jersey number 17. Iligan sa Morgan at Universe Companion.
Score 90-80 in favor of the
And
Braa
numbers
Boys.
personal fouls, 98 now. And the first time escape para kay David Brady. And last round, just completo. 98 to score, Malo. Ang inaabol ng PRC Eagles sa madalang Gian Colasa against Tayapat. Colasa nakakawala. Ang Senator plays Colasa. Tayapat once again. And there's a whistle foul. And a foul for jersey number 17. The only foul, Iligan Gano, second personal foul, 3 foul. And mula po rin sa manig ng PRC Eagles.
Score 92-82 in favor of the Braa Boys.
Panagas si Brown, pasok din kay Bayaman. Here comes Tayaman.
Time,
Tumatrimonyo
6
sa
minutes
ilalim.
and 20
Tatrimonyo,
seconds,
tumalis
fourth
natin.
quarter.
And mula sa rebound. Mula sa pass fake. Podong, nakakuha ni Panagas. Panagas, there's number 67. On the moves. David Purili, using the glass and a 2 points. Ay sa madalang mula sa passing down. Pass on Recompo. And Recompo, balik kay Gian Bulasa. Bulasa against David Purili. Bulasa once again, step back. Fires. Bulasa.
The Braa White Ball.
And sa madalang Tayapan, doon sa madalang. Here comes Tayapan. So Purili, makitawan. Ang Olsen mula sa manig ng Braa Boys. Iligay down, pass again, Bulasa. And Bulasa against Purili, jersey number 29. Bulasa once again. And shot back down to 12 seconds. Bulasa against Purili. Bulasa. Atake. Yes, surprise, Bulasa.
Fourth quarter, 5 minutes and 15 seconds.
Sa katanong Tayapan, nandito mo sila Panagas, ang may tangan. Hasta Galaporte, susulbog sa press, hindi pumasok. And hindi ka for the rebound, hindi ka pass to Gian Bulasa. 4 minutes, 55 seconds remaining time. For the last and final quarter, Bulasa against Pulili once again. Tasto, Bayaban! No! Kalang 40 girls sa number 27. Magmamadali, speed move. And move sa kaya ng Pyramid sa hilang substitution. And substitution. Kalang 40 out, sa ang papalit dito. And that's right, to David Pulini. Pulini, Tayapan, from sa patri. No! Bulasa po na rebound. And Bulasa against Pulini na naman. Bulasa once again, shot clock 15 seconds. Bulasa showing his moves. Yes! Bulasa! And that's in place, Bulasa. And sa madalang Tayapan, papawi. Tayapan once again, 30 seconds on the shot clock. Out of bounds, substitution. Substitution. Patrimonio out, dagdag sa oras papasok. And substitution. Adagas out, Bombina papasok. And timeout sa panig ng the Braa Boys. waiting for the timeout. And going for the timeout. Last 4 minutes, 4 seconds remaining time. And the last and final quarter.
Score 99-84, fourth quarter in favor of the Braa Boys. Lamang po ang the Braa Boys, score 99-84.
And Pulasa ka sa Mabiga. Pulasa na naman. Ibrahim Calabarawan. Pagdating po nili. First number 29. Pulili. Off the rose. And a two-place Pulili. And sa madalang Pulasa. Pulili Popo. Pasto. Bayan-ban. Bakit? And Pulili po ang rebound. Kanuanin. Bayan-ban. Pulili Popo. Tiliga. Ini Lopez. Bakit? And there's a whistle foul. And the goal producer number 12, it is warm and a 2-bonus goal. Para kay Diliga, producer number 17. And Zamora get his second personal foul. And first of all, 1 point para kay Diliga. Last train pumasok, Pumila pa na rebound. Rebound sa Pumila, para sa Team Dayaman. Dayaman ang mamadali, atake. And the 2 points para kay Team Dayaman. And sa makalang Bayan-ban, turito ito. Rebound sa Ripong Pagdanika, corner fires. Now, Pulasa punta. And the 2 points, Pulasa. And score, 102-88 na score. Lomo-lomo na ang kalamangan ng the Braa Boys last 3 minutes. Robin Abatayaman, pass sa Pulili, Saran once again. Atake sa ilalim. No. And dito for the rebound. Gian Pulasa once again. Ang magtatawid ng bola. Nandiyan lang 50 seconds. Pulasa against Pumila. Shot clock 10 seconds. Pulasa. Kick out. Diliga. Close na pa 3. Go. Ano ba kung sa'yo na pula sa panig ng substitution? Yan, substitution. Limpradilla out. Bitur papasok. Kaya sa matalang Pumila, there's number 10. Pumila naghanap pamapasan sa Zamora against Diliga. Zamora balik kay Pumila. Shot clock down to 15. Tayapan. Just 2 points. Tayapan. And Pumas another. Troy Popo fires. Bang! Time out rep. And time out sa panig ng PRMIC Niños. And score 105-90. 15-point lead from Braa Boys.
Score 105-90 in favor of the Braa Boys.
Last 2 minutes. And sa kanya ng first naman rin.
Here, play mo. No,
Piligay down, sa Jigan Pulasa. Pulasa, Rory Popo. And ay Popo sa 29. Ang may tangan. And shot back down to 10 seconds. Ray Popo once again. Here comes the ball. Tablasa fires. No. And Persona for the rebound out of bounds. And pinabalik sa Manila Beer by sa Eagles.
Time 1 minute and 23 seconds. Fourth
Last
quarter.
1 minute 20 seconds. Barcelona once again. Third drop. Take Polasa rebound. And Polasa. Jersey number 83. Pinubula po ni Miguel. Polasa once again. Pass to Bayanban. Last 1 minute. And seconds to play. 8 seconds on the shot clock. And a shot clock 5 seconds. And timeout sa panig ng Bravo Boys. Okay, time for the timeout. Time for the timeout. Okay, players, pasok na players. And the Cowboys of President Ross. Naguting it down. Naguting to Vanessa. And Vanessa once again against Emiliano. Probably kay Naguting, here's number 10. Shot clock 10 seconds. And shot clock 20 seconds. Vanessa once again. No, not with Versola. And Versola, there's number 18. Mula po. Versola once again. Showing his will. Sabi naman, pasa ng save. Barcelona, shot clock 14. On the bounce and a turnover. Lagutin, pass to Anarna. Anarna pagbuwok. Takbo ni Persona. Here comes Persona, here's number 8. That's 20, no more shot clock. Persona, fires. No. And winner! Boys! And that concludes our exhibition game. Game po ng pagkakaroon ng progresyon. Ibinugin from 2026. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you so much to our sponsor, Aqua Clear Water Base Station, the Senior Resort, Water Station, Royals Kitchen House, RL Cemetery, Usoy Store and Art Backyard Resort, Ipon Beach Shop, Bibling and Wine Complito, The Farmer Store, GNA Store, Norchic Store, Tommy's Casaba Cake, Poblador Motor Shop, Captivate by Malu Contino, Danny's Food House, Recipe Faustino, Inohales Eatery. Once again, thank you so much to our major sponsor, once again, Robert Fordyne. And Barbecue House, Unit managed by Ancheta and Jojo Mondes. Christina Marine Beach Shop and Eatery by Jacket Sanili. Aqua Plus, your filling station. Once again, thank you so much to our partner agency, LG Resident Ross, and by Mayor Recreation Field, LG Workshop, Malakayan and Sir H.I.P., 72nd Infantry Battalion, PNP President Rojas. Thank you so much, our Chief of Police Major Sir Ryan Cananil, RSU President Rojas, Senator Dr. Dominic Lao,
Connected.